Welcome back to our channel. Today the automotive world is buzzing with excitement over the anticipated launch of the Maruti Suzuki Vitara 2025. This next-generation compact SUV promises to blend cutting-edge technology, refined design, and exceptional performance. As the reveal approaches, YouTube has become a hub for enthusiasts seeking detailed reviews, first looks, and expert opinions. Here's a roundup of some of the best YouTube channels covering the latest updates on the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Vitara. PowerDrift is a go-to channel for car enthusiasts. Known for its cinematic production quality, detailed reviews, and engaging storytelling, this channel is likely to provide an in-depth look at the Maruti Suzuki Vitara 2025. From its design evolution to on-road performance, expect comprehensive insights with a dash of entertainment. High-quality visuals and expert breakdowns. Exclusive coverage of automotive events. As one of India's leading automotive authorities, Autocar India consistently delivers reliable and detailed content. Their YouTube channel is packed with expert reviews, comparisons, and test drives. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara 2025 is expected to feature prominently in their upcoming content, especially focusing on its specs, features, and market position. Trusted automotive expertise. Timely updates and feature-rich videos. CarDeco's YouTube channel caters to a wide range of car buyers and enthusiasts. They specialize in user-friendly content, making it easier for viewers to understand technical specifications and features. Expect straightforward explanations of the Vitara's tech advancements, safety features, and interior innovations. Simplified breakdowns for all audiences. Motorbeam is known for its youthful and energetic approach to car reviews. Their channel often features thrilling test drives and detailed feature analyses. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara 2025 will likely get a performance-oriented review, highlighting its driving dynamics and real-world capabilities. Focus on performance and driving experience. Zig Wheels delivers a blend of expert insights and consumer-focused content. Their videos are known for clarity and precision, making them ideal for those seeking a deeper understanding of the Vitara's engineering and features. Comprehensive reviews and comparisons. User-focused content with practical overdrive has been a trusted name in the Indian automotive industry for years. Their YouTube channel offers high-quality content, ranging from first looks to detailed test drives. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara 2025 will undoubtedly feature in their lineup of SUV reviews. Detailed technical insights. Professional and unbiased review. What to expect from the Maruti Suzuki Vitara,